Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with WooCommerce REST API for mobile step-by-step clearly. To authorize with the WooCommerce REST API for mobile, begin by setting up your WooCommerce store properly. Ensure that you have the WooCommerce plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site. Next, navigate to the WordPress admin dashboard. In the dashboard, locate and click on WooCommerce in the left sidebar. From the WooCommerce menu, select Settings. Once in the settings, click on the Advanced tab. Now, find the REST API option and click on it. You will see an option to add key. Click on that button. Fill in the description field with a name that indicates its purpose, like Mobile App Access. Select the user who will be granted access. In the Permissions dropdown, choose either Read, Write, or Read/Write based on what your mobile app requires. After filling in the key details, click on Generate API Key. You will see your newly created consumer key and consumer secret. Make sure to copy both the consumer key and Now, open your mobile applications code where you will be implementing the API access. To make authenticated requests, you will typically use basic authentication or OAuth. If using basic authentication, encode your consumer key and consumer secret in the format consumer key, consumer secret. When making API requests, include your authorization details in the request headers. For basic authentication, use the authorization header with the value basic, base64 encoded consumer key, consumer secret. If you're using OAuth, ensure you follow the specific procedures for generating and signing your OAuth requests. After setting up the authorization, you can test your connection by making a simple API request. For example, you might retrieve the list of products to verify that you have authorized successfully. Ensure to handle any errors gracefully in your mobile app to improve user experience. Now, your mobile app should be able to interact securely with the WooCommerce REST API. You are ready to implement further functionalities as needed for your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.